Did you ever get this thought of giving up or shifting to some
Many
other
times,
profession?
many times.
Plan B in life?
Actually, not initially, not for very, very long,
Yeah.
but I think in last 4 5 years. So basically, from 2020 to 23, I thought that was a very difficult time because the lockdown had started and so
Oh,
on.
what terrible.
क्योंकि सांस भी कभी होगी. I think it's a great feat that Ekta Kapoor and Shobha ji have pulled out. And to bring her back from ministry and from politics and being in front of the camera, so that
Again,
people
yeah.
have gone gaga over.
क्या यादें हैं टीवी की अगर आप बात करें वो क्या चीजें हैं जो भुला नहीं पाओगे वो क्या गेम चेंजर साबित हुआ है आपके करियर में
Actually, first show था ना जो लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट.
या
For initial first, I think 6 months or a year, it was a lot of fun. There was huge amount of hard work. मतलब 24 घंटे 36 घंटे काम करते थे, बट कमाल की एनर्जी थी और सिंक में सब इतने सिंक में होते थे एक अच्छा काम करने के. मनोज बाजपेयी जी, पंकज त्रिपाठी जी, and
all the self-made actors
Jaideep Alawat,
yeah
and Vikrant,
yeah
and Siddhant also. For me, connect with Bholenath really works. Yeah, I think that keeps me sane, and I think everyone just needs to find the space that or a medium that gives them the sanity.
yeah
The dream of working with Neeraj sir has been so long standing, and I'm just so happy and I feel so blessed and fortunate that I got to work with him.
Hello everyone, you're watching us on Bollywood Live Z Media. This is Gaurika and today I have with me a supremely talented star जिनकी कला का जादू आप सब पर भी छा चुका है. विकास मनकतला in the house. Hi, welcome to our channel. How is life treating you?
Excellent. Thank you, Gaurika, for having me here. It feels really nice being here.
So Vikas, what's keeping you busy? क्या हो रहा है? क्या चल रहा है?
Right now, of course, there's so many interviews that are lined up,
Yeah.
and so one after the other. But I think it just feels so beautiful, receiving so much of warmth, love, and praises, appreciation from every corner that's coming my way. So it means a lot to me, and I'm just soaking all in and embracing it with my arms wide open.
It's all
So,
because of your craft.
I feel fortunate that people are, acknowledging the hard work that we've put in,
Yeah.
and it feels good. It feels great, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now everybody is talking about special ops and especially about your character. So
Yeah.
we really want to know that what drew you here? What got you here?
So special ops, it's been a brilliant debut. I couldn't have asked for anything more. The dream of working with Neeraj sir has been so long standing, and I'm just so happy and I feel so blessed and fortunate that I got to work with him and learn from him.
Yeah.
And collaborate with him. So it's been beautiful, yeah, throughout. And but the hard work that was put in for Abhay was done by the team as well. They all liked it, but I wasn't hoping for so much of love in abundance coming my way, and I'm just so grateful that it has come through the debut as well.
या सो कभी आप कोई कैरेक्टर करते हो जिसका अंश आपके अंदर रह जाता है तो इस कैरेक्टर का आई एम श्योर कुछ ना कुछ पार्ट है जो आपने अपनी अंदर सोख कर लिया ऑब्जॉर्व कर लिया सो व्हाट इज इट एग्जैक्टली
The only character traits that me and Abhay has in common is being focused, keeping the blinders of a horse,
yeah
and just being focused on the goal of going out there and doing a good work. And that's the thing that we have in similar, yeah.
Yeah, so also if we talk about your co-stars, the cast,
Ji.
oh my God, what a
Ji.
stellar star cast, I must
True.
say. So we want to know some hidden facts, like, the observations जो आपने की हो on the sets of the following. KK Menon.
Yeah, so me and KK sir have not gotten to work physically together because the scene also we had, he was in India and I was in Georgia.
Yeah.
And which happened on the phone and so on. But I met him a couple of times, and as it is, I'm just a big fan of his work. Yeah, I think he's just a fabulous artist. There's so much to learn from him. There's so much to be inspired from the way he approaches his work, his character, his craft. I think it's brilliant, and it just feels so good that I'm part of such a great ensemble. And to top it, Neeraj sir, man, it's been a dream come true, like I said earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what about Karan Tacker?
Karan's sweet, yeah. We've known each other for a while because, of course, we train in the same gym,
Yeah.
and we've met a couple of times. Also, being in the industry, we've bumped into each other several times. But on the set of Neeraj sir, a very very good thing is that everyone is every department from the direction to makeup to the photography to action to support boys, every department to our costume department, everyone is so much in sync that you just go out there and stay focused to go
Yeah.
and work. Everyone's goal is just to go out and do a great job of what they're doing.
Yes.
And that unison really, I think, is the reason behind the success of Special Ops 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So from our sources, we got to know that you underwent some rigorous training for this role,
जी
for prepping up.
जी
So क्या किया कैसे you thought कि क्या होने वाला है
So
next?
for me, it is very very essential and important to first understand the mindset of a character.
Yeah.
And the moment you get to know the mental space of a character, then the physical aspect and the other things follow.
Yeah.
So I gained 10.5 kgs for Abhay. And and I went through varieties of training for like flexibility, agility, stretching, and MMA and hand-to-hand combat, weapon training.
Oh.
I've been into it for very very long, but then
You had
just
a
to
hands-on experience.
I kind of the support that I got from the team was brilliant because they allowed me to extensively prep for it, and then came when the time came to perform, everyone was so much in sync that it just felt like a cakewalk, honestly speaking. So yeah.
So talking about your fitness mantra, how is it like, So because of different roles, you have to either gain or lose weight.
True.
It might be challenging.
Ji.
But what's the everyday routine that you follow?
So I now I've already lost 11 kgs from the time I finished Special Ops. But my routine is of definitely about training, about connecting with Bholenath, with Shiva, so I meditate. And it is about forging my diet very, very carefully. So like I completely avoid gluten. So actually, I played around for Abhay because I had to gain so much. So I included gluten and a few other food items that give inflammation in the body, and then you look bigger and bloated. And because of my time frame that I had was barely 1.5 2 months to prep, so for me to gain that much amount of weight was not easy. And when you gain, no, so when you get heavy, you become very stiff and stout,
Yeah.
and lethargic. So to beat that, I obviously had so many other physical activities to combat that and to balance it out, so that Abhay goes out there and finishes the job that he's meant to.
Guys, that's the life of an actor. It's not easy. It's not something that you see on the screen. It takes so much to get to fit into the character, and then
That's okay. It's part of the job, yeah. It's
Yeah.
it's what we signed up for when
Yeah, true that.
it's what I signed up for when I thought of getting into the industry, and I've been into fitness for a very very long
Yeah.
time. But just to play around with it, with the knowledge and understanding I have, to help me get into the character's physicality, it's been really amazing. And another thing that I sacrifice a lot of things as Punjabi that I would otherwise be eating, which I don't eat on a daily basis. One is gluten,
And paranthas and all.
and of course, which is again gluten, no. So
Yeah,
no
yeah.
paranthas, no
Yeah.
wheat, no breads, no cookies, nothing at all, and no sugar, and barely few drops of milk in the first coffee that I have of the day. And otherwise, I stay away from all of that. And then I no fried food. I don't have fried. I don't have alcohol, which I like as a Punjabi. I really enjoy alcohol, but I don't have it because of my training and
But
the
that's a good
fitness,
thing.
which is a great thing.
Yeah.
It just gives me despite the constraint on sleeping, this lack of hours, but being sleep deprived, it just really helps me balancing it out, and it gives
Hmm.
me the energy. So it's nice.
या और ऐसा कहा जाता है कि इंडस्ट्री में कोई दोस्त नहीं होता है या इंडस्ट्री में दोस्ती का नाटक करा जाता है एंड
जी,
व्हाटएवर बहुत सारी चीजें होती है बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट योर इंडस्ट्री फ्रेंड्स
जी,
वी हैव सीन यू
जी,
हैंगिंग आउट विद देम और हम कामराडरी देखते रहते
जी,
हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे विद प्रियंका चहर चौधरी एंड मेनी अदर्स
जी.
सो व्हाट इज योर बॉन्ड लाइक एंड हु इज द क्लोजेस्ट फ्रॉम दिस
So
इंडस्ट्री
honestly speaking, I have very very few friends in the industry, barely, and I don't have very lot of colleagues. So I personally feel that's my professional life. We
या
जब मैं दिल्ली से गया था ना, तो हमारे लिए सब एक जैसा होता है. हम हर जगह दोस्ती और प्यार ढूंढते हैं,
एग्जैक्टली
बट मुझे लगता है कि देयर इज़ अ रीज़न वो हम उसे अपनी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ कहते हैं. सो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में कोलीग्स होते हैं, अच्छे acquaintances होते हैं, जिनके साथ अच्छा जेल और कनेक्ट होता है. बट फ्रेंड्स जो होते हैं ना, वो हैंडफुल ऑफ होते हैं. सो मुझे लगता है कि वो बनते भी तभी हैं जब आपकी स्कूल लाइफ होती है, और दोस दैट रियल फ्रेंडशिप विच इज़
या
अनकंडीशनल. तो वो अनकंडीशनल दोस्ती बहुत रेयर मिलती है उसके बाद. तो इसीलिए आई फील इट्स गुड टू बी acquainted by everybody and be very very kind and
या
respectful, but you come back to your own personal self and your family and your friends. So that's how I am. Yeah.
सो हाउ इज योर बॉन्ड विद प्रियंका
It's very nice. She's Priyanka and Ankit both are good mates for that matter. And now because I've been busy and they've been busy,
Yeah.
we've not gotten time to meet for a while. But whenever we get a chance, we do.
दैट सो आपने भी गोल्स सेट किए हुए हैं एंड पीपल रियली अडोर द जोड़ी
जी.
बट इफ यू वांट टू नो द टिप्स रिलेशनशिप टिप्स द मंत्रास फ्रॉम योर लर्निंग्स जो आप देना चाहते हैं फॉर योर फैंस एंड फॉलोअर्स
Uh, I don't know यार. I think मुझे लगता है कि सबसे पहले ना हम सही मायने में ना, अगर हम मटेरियलिज्म से और बाकी सब गोल्स और उन सब चीज़ों से परेशान होना छोड़ देना और सिर्फ खुशी की तरफ ध्यान दें, तो हम एक बेहतर इंसान बन पाते हैं. सो व्हेन यू आर हैप्पी, यू ऑटोमेटिकली आर एबल टू give that happiness to your partner.
Yeah.
And I think that is the only mantra that I feel. And for me, connect with Bholenath really works. Yeah, I think that keeps me sane. And I think everyone just needs to find the space that or a medium that gives them the sanity.
Yeah.
तो वो मुझे लगता है कि जब आप सेन रहते हैं ना, तो आप उतार चढ़ाव को संभाल लेते हैं. तो that's that. Yeah.
So talking about see your journey, so we really want to know that what is your dream role like? किस actor के साथ you want to share the screen space with, or किस director के साथ you really wanted to work in?
I've been wanting to work with Neeraj for 14 years. Thankfully,
Yeah,
I've got
14
to.
years
For
long.
14 years, I'm so happy that I got the chance to do it. But there are so many other directors that really inspire me and motivate me to work on my craft, keep improving myself as an artist and
Yeah.
actor. And those names are Vishal Bhajwat sir, Vikramaditya Motwane sir, Sanjay Leela Bhansali
Oh,
sir,
grand sets.
then Rajkumar Hirani sir,
Oh,
Rajkumar
yeah.
Gupta sir, Zoya Akhtar ma'am, Farhan Akhtar sir. So the list is endless.
Endless,
Even not just confined to the Indian cinema. Even in fact internationally, Steven Spielberg, Ang Lee, Louis Leterrier. So ऐसे करके बहुत सारे नाम
वैसे तो
हैं.
we would love to see you in Korean shows also.
I would love to be a part
Yeah.
of it. I think they make some phenomenal cinema here.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know.
There's some beautiful content they make, and I just really love with the sensitivity they bring.
Yeah, it's so relatable,
Yeah,
no?
yeah,
And the
yeah.
pookiness they have, oh God.
It's really amazing, and I think it's just way ahead of its time.
Yeah.
And I think one should, because as it is, a lot of people adapt that now, but there's so much to learn from it. Yeah.
Also, a collaboration with any actor you want to share the screen space with.
I would love to act with Abu ma'am. I would love to act with. There's some really interesting actors that I feel who are brilliant, like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, like Manoj Bajpayee ji, Pankaj Tripathi ji,
Yeah.
and
All the self-made actors, you
all
know,
the Jaideep Alawat,
Yeah.
and Vikrant.
Yeah.
And Siddhant also, for the matter. So ऐसे list तो बहुत बड़ी
बहुत
है.
बड़ी. So, Vikas, if we talk about acting industry में इतना
एक और भूल
competition
गया
है.
मैं रोल मेरा.
हाँ.
Actually, like this, with the varieties of directors and makers, I also want to do varieties of roles.
Roles like.
Yeah, like I want to do a lover boy next, and then I want to do a Joker kind of character, like a really madcap villain's character.
Yeah.
And then I also want to do a superhero. I want to do a biography. एंड इवन राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा जी मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो डायरेक्टर भी.
Oh,
तो आई होप कि वो
So-
मेरे साथ भाग मिल्खा भाग जैसी कोई बायोग्राफी बनाए
Exactly.
जिसमें मुझे बहुत सारी मेहनत करके शिद्दत से काम करने का मौका मिले, उनसे सीखने का मौका
Yeah.
मिले. सो बहुत मजा आएगा. That
So
is
अगर
that.
क्रिकेट बायोपिक किसी की बने,
हाँ,
you know, तो आप किसकी करने में इंटरेस्टेड होगे?
यार द फिजिकल अपीयरेंस मेरे को वैसे सचिन तेंदुलकर जी बहुत पसंद है,
Hmm.
बट आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन डू जस्टिस बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्रेम.
Hmm.
But if the director puts the faith in me, then I would definitely want to do that, you know. And I just really get inspired by just looking at him, yeah. The way he carries himself, the way
Yeah.
he is, the instances, the stories, जो anecdotes उनके बारे में सुने हैं, जो instances हैं, कमाल के हैं यार.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So any survival tips which we can get from you? You know, things they should do, the aspiring actors, and things they should not do. No, a big no.
I think what is they're actually not one but two, three of them which I also follow. That don't allow success to go to your head.
Oh yes.
And don't allow failures to go to your heart.
Hmm.
You know, just keep your blinders on and keep your focus towards the work that you have to do. Keep working on the craft and improving yourself as an artist and actor. मुझे लगता है कि आप एक अच्छा काम कर लेते हैं, एक अच्छा किरदार निभा लेते हैं, तो उससे लोगों को पसंद तो आ जाता है, उनकी नज़र में आ जाते हैं. बट आपकी पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल जर्नी में अगर आप अपने आप को बेहतर नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो अगला किरदार आप जो निभाएंगे तो वो फिर आप वन टाइम चार्म हो जाएगा आपका.
Yeah.
तो वो मुझे लगता है कि उसके लिए सिर्फ एक ही सिंपल फॉर्मूला है कि उसी पे मेहनत करते रहो. सो देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट टू इट फॉर मी. I think I've spent like almost 19 years to reach here, and having worked in varieties of shows as lead, then also, and you know, getting so many offers, but unfortunately not materializing or something or the other, and the fate of the work, however it has been. But that's part of the job, you know. That's also not just like I said, don't allow the failures also to go to your heart. So ये जो failures होंगे या rejections होंगी, अगर ये पार्ट ऑफ द जॉब है. अनलेस आप अगर फैमिली बिजनेस ज्वाइन कर लें या फैमिली जॉब में किसी सिफारिश से लग जाएं, तब भी आपको अपनी मेहनत से प्रूव तो करना पड़ेगा आपकी कैपेबिलिटी.
काम तो करना पड़ेगा. There is no shortcut to it.
Correct. So I think it's just as simple as that.
Yeah. So also if we talk about your TV journey.
जी.
Oh God, टीवी का पता है हमें कि बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ता है
जी.
और उसमें कोई फिक्स्ड वर्किंग आवर्स नहीं होते हैं.
जी.
डे नाइट,
जी.
स्लीपिंग इन द वैनिटी एंड व्हाट नॉट, वी हैव हर्ड अ लॉट.
जी.
सो व्हाट इज द नॉस्टैल्जिया? वो क्या यादें हैं टीवी की अगर आप बात करें? वो क्या चीज़ें हैं जो भुला नहीं पाओगे? वो क्या गेम चेंजर साबित हुआ है आपकी करियर में?
एक्चुअली फर्स्ट शो था ना जो लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट,
या
for initial first I think 6 months or a year, it was a lot of fun. There was huge amount of hard work. मतलब 24 घंटे 36 घंटे काम करते थे, बट कमाल की एनर्जी थी और सिंक में इतने सिंक में होते थे एक अच्छा काम करने के, जो मुझे बाकी सब टेलीविजन शोज में नहीं दिखाए और वो फील नहीं हुआ. तो वो एक अच्छी मेमोरीज और कुछ को एक्टर्स के साथ आई एम स्टिल इन टच एंड ऑन एंड ऑफ एंड इट इज आई थिंक देयर वाज I enjoyed myself working there. I've enjoyed myself in working in every character that I've portrayed, honestly speaking. I've been fortunate that I've got to work in all varied characters, never the same. So वो मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ लगती है कि मेरे लिए वो यादें जो है ना, वो लोगों का प्यार ज़्यादा है. सच में बता रहा हूँ कि हर किरदार के साथ जो रिकग्निशन, जो अप्रिसिएशन, जो प्रेज आया है ना, वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखता है मेरे लिए.
सुपर. एंड अगर हम अभी की बात करें तो क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी शो कम बैक हो गया है.
जी.
स्मृति ईरानी इज बैक विद अ
जी.
बैंग.
जी.
क्या नॉस्टैल्जिया दिलाया उन्होंने. बट यू नो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट यू नो व्हाट आर योर व्यूज ऑन द कम बैक ऑफ दिस शो? ऑल्सो ऐसा कोई शो है व्हिच यू थिंक शुड बी बैक टू द टेलीविजन?
Okay, so the first to start with, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, I think it's a great feat that Ekta Kapoor and Shobha ji have pulled out. and to bring her back from ministry and from politics and being in front of the camera, so the
Again,
people
yeah.
have gone gaga over, and is really amazing. I think it's beautiful that she's back. I'm really gearing up to see what is there, though I don't watch television, but I, because of the time, जब हम शूट भी कर रहे होते हैं तब भी हमें टाइम देखने को नहीं मिलता है.
Then you get to
But
watch on the reels, no?
that is the only thing that thanks to Instagram that it has started.
Yeah.
But I am also not on social media. I barely go on social media. In fact, with Abhay, I've started now because my partner telling me that you should. There's so much love coming your
Yeah,
way.
of course. People are
You
waiting for your
should.
post, and then
Yeah,
you're like,
yeah, and saying you should. And so I now. There were times that I have responded to fans' messages of thousands of them after 8, 10 years. So I didn't even know they existed and so on. So once I opened my messenger and I got to see, अरे ये सब है. So then
Yeah.
to whomever I could, I did, and it just feels that this is actually their prayers and well wishes that have
Yeah.
got me here. I'll be very honest with you, because the struggle and the hardships I've gone through have not been easy, but it's just somewhere their prayers have pulled me up out of that slumber. My Bholenath's blessings have been there.
Yeah.
And I think I am just so grateful that I've got this love from everyone.
Did you ever get this thought of giving up or shifting to some
Many
other
times.
profession?
Many times.
Plan B in life?
Actually, not initially, not for very, very long,
Yeah.
but I think in last 4-5 years. So basically from 2020 to 23, I thought that was a very difficult time because the lockdown had started and so
Oh,
on.
what terrible.
So my perspective towards life and people and towards work changed drastically. मेरे को लगता है मैं अंदर से थोड़ा सा इंसान भी बदल गया when I saw people going through such hard times, and everyone was just, we couldn't talk like this,
Yeah.
we couldn't do the normal things that we are supposed to be
We were
should be doing.
handicapped.
Yeah, handicapped, and also the value of life wasn't there.
True that.
All of a sudden, you're here today, tomorrow you're not there.
Not there.
So all the chase that you have on a daily basis towards your goals, towards your ambitions, towards your success that you desire, towards the materialistic things that really you've made a list of, none of them matter. None of
Just
them.
you and your life.
So suddenly that jolted me out of the struggle and the journey that I'd been going on for so long. And I realized यार कि ये तो अगर life है आज कल नहीं हुई तो I want to experience the things that I want to experience. So that is why my partner forced me, and for her I did Big Boss as a wild card.
Yeah.
I'm so happy there was a small stint. And then also saying no to television came from that understanding, with that realization कि यार अगर मैं वही करता रहा ना तो जो मेरा ड्रीम है ना,
Typecast भी हो जाता है.
टाइपकास्ट तो आपको टेलीविजन होते होते भी कर देता है, टेलीविजन में भी कर देते हैं, फिल्म्स और ओटीटी वाले नहीं, उसमें भी कर देते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आपने एक किरदार अच्छा निभाया है तो फिर आपको अगले 40-50 ऑफर उसी किरदार के होंगे. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि इसीलिए मैं आई केप्ट टेकिंग ब्रेक्स and waiting for good opportunities and offers. But then the work started and the struggle started, the financial struggles, the mental, physical hassles that one goes through. And then, also taking care of our loved ones during the hard times that we all went through.
Yeah.
So that changed me as a human being. And that helped me to stick to the struggle, no matter how hard it was, to continue doing that and pursue. And I'm just so happy that Special Ops 2 happened, and
Yeah. Well, all the good things are coming your way post this.
जी.
Also, if we talk about reality shows,
जी.
अगर आगे आने वाले टाइम में see Big Boss is around the corner again, फिर कोई ऐसा होता है Big Boss की opportunity, maybe खतरों के खिलाड़ी,
जी.
maybe there's a couple show.
जी.
So would you be up for that? And किसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा interested हो?
Not Big Boss, but I used to really enjoy Khatron because I've been into physical for
Yeah, I mean,
fitness for very, very
it's
long.
a cakewalk for you now.
I don't know. It's I never take things for granted. I never do that because मुझे लगता है कि आपको मैंने ना अपने एक टीचर से बहुत पहले सीखा था कि एक्शन करते हुए ना जोश में कभी होश नहीं खोने चाहिए.
हाँ, right.
तो वो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ ध्यान में, क्योंकि आप जब जैसे ही होश खोते हो इंजरी हो जाती है.
True that.
So I try to take care of that because I've also learned from the experiences and the injuries that I've gone through. But so Khatro is an extremely dynamic reality show.
Yeah.
I always wanted to do, but at this point in time, I don't know. I hope I'm able to work in OTT and films even more, and
Yeah.
I get many more offers in that space. And because it's a start of a new chapter for me, you know. So I've waited for so long for the transition to happen, and it's happened. So I'm grateful with the debut. I'm receiving so much love, and it just means the world to me. Honestly, it's very close to my heart. Everything that good people say and all the praises that people give me, and so it just feels कि जो hard work हुआ है, team की पूरी मेहनत है, वो रंग ला रही है. So it feels great. It feels very very nice.
Yeah. So talking about your first paycheck, ऐसा आपका पहला काम, पहली कमाई ना सबको याद रहती है। फिर कहाँ, कब मिला and then where did you spend it?
So I started modeling.
Yeah.
The first ad I did was for Lacoste,
Okay, yeah.
that brand. So I did a advertising feature for it, and for that I got paid, and I also got vouchers for it. So I gave the money to my grandfather, and I bought a cardigan and I think a muffler for my grandfather. So I spent all of it, and that is what I did to do it. And then I think part of it, second one, I gave to my mother.
Oh, wow,
Yeah,
that's so
yeah.
good. So if you talk about the upcoming projects, what can we really expect? What can fans
So
expect?
with so much of love coming because it's just released, and I there are definitely a few doors of opportunities that I've opened, but I'm just seeing whatever comes, and you know, every story has its own journey.
Yeah.
Every character has its own journey. तो पिचिंग से नरेशन से लेकर फ्लोर तक पहुंचने में जो जर्नी है वो तय करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I haven't signed anything as of now, but there are a few things I'm looking at,
Yeah.
and I hope to receive more offers. And I hope that I don't have to take gaps like I did in television. And I hope I get to be back on OTT and on films very very soon.
Yeah, but that's a very important question. Who has been your favorite actor of all time?
यार मुझे ना इरफान खान सर बहुत अच्छे लगते थे. बहुत कमाल के एक्टर लगते थे मुझे वो. बहुत ही उफ कमाल के एक्टर थे यार वो.
Exactly.
तो मेरा एक ड्रीम था उनके साथ काम करने का जो नहीं हो सकता है, बट आई होप ही इज़ हैप्पी एंड स्माइलिंग वेर ही इज़. तो ही वॉज प्लस मैं अमरीश पुरी जी का भी बहुत बड़ा फैन. तो मुझे वो उफ मुझे लगता था कि ओम पुरी जी, अमरीश पुरी जी इतने अच्छे एक्टर, इवन नसीर सर इतने कमाल के एक्टर्स हैं. सो मैं चाहूँगा नसीर सर के साथ काम करना और उनके साथ सीखना.
We would love to see that. So, okay, one thing about you that nobody knows, any hobby, anything that you love doing and nobody's aware about that, any artistic thing you do.
So yeah, I don't know many people if they know that I love to design clothes. So if I hadn't been an actor, I would have either been a businessman or a fashion designer.
Oh, super.
Yeah, so it's something that is close to me. I just a few detailings to very very selectively that I do sometimes if I get the time, but that's something I really enjoy.
So sets पे जब stylist आती है तो then
No,
you're
no,
like,
no,
no,
no.
I'm gonna like
No,
style.
no, no, no. I never do that. It is there is a reason that uh, those experts are hired, and because they're very good at their job. So I think the complete trust has to be put on them, and they know the character. Because what happens, no, an actor joins the majority of the films or the projects that one does. They join at a much later stage. So initially, from the nascent stage, the writer, director, and the costume and the other production people, they all work so extensively on the project before it reaches the actor,
Yeah.
that they know so much more about the character. So I lay like a complete blind trust on them, and I never, because वो मैं अपने personal चीज के लिए करता हूँ,
But you
and
would
when
be
I
up
go to
for
work,
anything, they
I'm
ask
not
for.
Vikas.
You're the director's actor.
So I'm a director's actor, I'm a producer's actor. I like to go and not waste a lot of time of the director and producer.
Yeah.
So at least have a basic idea of what you're doing, and then flow with what the director wants.
Well, thank you so much for such a lovely conversation.
Thank you.
One message you have for the people who are watching us, for the DMs that are flooded on your
जी
feed.
जी.
One reply.
It feels so beautiful to be getting so much of love. और मैं इस तरह का इंसान था जिसको ना कभी दिल में जो इतनी खुशी हो रही होती है ना, वो ज़ुबान से बयान करना नहीं आता था। बट ये जो पहले भी जो इतना प्यार मिला है, मैं इसीलिए इतना मुझे टाइम लगा लोगों के डीएम्स और मैसेजेस, कमेंट्स को रिस्पॉन्ड करने में, क्योंकि मुझे आता ही नहीं था। And but then now it is with so much of love coming in such high magnitude, मेरा ना दिल ऐसे खुशी से खुल चुका है that it is my love and gratitude is pouring out. So I'm truly grateful. I feel truly blessed and fortunate that I am blessed with so much of love from your end. Please continue showering this love upon me, and
Yeah.
I thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything you guys do.